Define your wins. That's it. That's the whole video. You can close the tab right now if you want. But if you want the story behind it, keep watching. I scroll a lot. Anytime I open Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, I see the same thing. Engineers shipping incredible stuff, landing offers at massive companies, launching their own startups. Meanwhile, for me, just opening VS Code feels like mission impossible. Here's the ugly truth. I have a toxic relationship with programming. I want to be the best in the world at this, but I can't bring myself to actually sit down and do the work. That's not ambition. That's ambition with no work ethic underneath it, which is really just a fantasy. I've heard the standard advice 1,000 times. Build a routine, make it a habit, don't break the streak. And sure, that works for people some of the time, but it misses something basic. We are human, like every other animal. Humans run on positive reinforcement. We can talk about discipline and locking in all day, but every once in a while, we need to actually feel good about what we did. And realistically, no one is coming to pat you on the back for you. You have to do it yourself. So I started simple practice. Define your wins. Before I sit down to code, it doesn't matter if I have 20 minutes or 3 hours. I pick the smallest possible goal I can hit in that window. Something almost embarrassingly small if I have 30 minutes. My win might just be getting the API to run hello world. That's it. And the second I check that off, something clicks. A real dopamine hit, the kind you normally get from a scroll. Except this one came from actually building something. Then I'm already looking for the next small win. This does two things. It makes coding feels rewarding in the moment, not just some distant future payoff. And it gives you direction. You are sitting in front of a blank editor thinking what to do, because the win is already defined. Think about what social media actually is. It's a machine engineered to give you a guaranteed win on every single scroll. That's why it's addictive. There's no reason your code base can't do the same thing for you, if you are the one defining the wins. So define yours, make it small enough that you can't fail. So if you hit it, however tiny, that counts. For every win you make, I'm cheering for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Mufti Develops.